This video will show you how I made this animated video for Pinterest and Instagram using an iPhone, Photoshop, and Keynote. Hi everyone, my name is Yer. I do extensive research to make creative ideas in my mind become reality. I enjoy learning, creating, then sharing that knowledge with others. My hopes are that I teach you something new, show you tricks and tips that are helpful, or at the very least inspire your creativity. I have a vintage shop on Etsy. I'm trying to grow my Pinterest and Instagram accounts and been working on making contents for both. This repurposed plant pot sold after 3 days of listing it in my Etsy shop. Now, I'm not saying that it was because of my Pinterest and Instagram posts. I don't know how it was found. However, I think it's important to make attractive content on your social media platforms to help attract people to your shop, your blog, social media accounts, etc. Using my iPhone, I took some pictures that I will drop into Photoshop to edit. Go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter to make adjustments to your likings. To select the subject, or cup in hand in this example, go to Quick Selection tool, press Select Subject. Now you'll see marching ants around the selection. Press Q on the keyboard to get a better view of the selected areas. Use the magic wand tool to deselect areas not part of the subject. To perfect the selected areas, use a paintbrush and white paint to reveal and black paint to hide. To change the color of the background, go up to Select, then Inverse. Now create a fill or adjustment layer. Choose Solid Color. I will start with white. Then I will duplicate the layers. Select the visible layers and merge visible layers. Rename this white. Now repeat the process. I will duplicate the layers again. Select a different color. This time it will be blue. And again, merge the visible layers and rename blue. Select black and repeat. Merge the visible layers. This step is not necessary, but I will show you how to delete the background. Click on the layer, then holding down the Command button on a Mac, move cursor to the above layer and press on the mask. This will select the background. Press Delete. Now the background is deleted from the subject. For the next picture, I want to show the plant pot in use. So through the magic of Photoshop, I will pot a plant. Using the same process, I removed everything except for the plant from this picture and saved it as a PNG to keep the transparent background. Now drag and drop the plant into Photoshop. Place the plant in the desired spot. Lower the opacity. Then use the erase tool to erase sections of the plant overlapping the cup. If you find that you cannot edit the picture, make sure you rasterize the layer first, then you should have no problem. Now adjust the opacity back to 100%. You can either merge the adjustment layer or delete it and fill in the background. Check that you have the layers you need: the blue background, the black background, the potted plant. Delete the original picture, the white background. Select all layers and export as. Export all and save them in a desired location. We've just created all the pictures we need for the next step. Open Keynote, a presentation software that's included with Apple products. Go to slide size and customize your slideshow. I choose 1080 pixel by 1080 pixel. For a blank slide, go ahead and delete all the sections. Now drag and drop your photos. They will snap into place. For a seamless transition, note where the first picture is positioned and position the rest the same. Here, the picture is positioned at X0 and Y271. All the rest will be placed in the same X and Y location. For the top half, I will choose Shape, then fill it, resize it to fit, then copy and paste to all the rest of the slides. Next, I will choose text to place numbers on the slides. Adjust style and size to your likings. Then copy and paste onto the following slides and change the numbers or text accordingly. Select all slides and press play to watch the slideshow. Make sure the start transition is set to automatically so that slides play automatically and not by the click of your mouse. The slideshow was moving through too fast, so I'm going to set the delay to 1 second each. Now, each slide will show for 1 second. I will duplicate the slides so that it runs for 8 seconds. To create the video clip, you're going to go up to File, Export to, Movie. Press Next and save it in desired location. We've just created a video clip to share on social media and with friends and family. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!